Hello everybody, it is the Conservative Coin Collector, and I got a couple things in the mail recently I want to show you. I ordered these two things at the same time here. I'm not going to show you the front of the envelope because it has not only my name, but the seller's name and address on there, and I don't want to dox either of us. And this thing here, these are dollar bill envelopes. To give an idea, I have taken out a few and put a few of my own dollar bills in here. I got my ones, some twos, some fives, tens. I have a 20 that I have to put in yet, but these dollar bill flaps, you put your dollar bills in here, and I've been keeping them with my coins. I probably should find a separate binder. It's probably a good idea to have a separate binder for each, but for right now, they're gonna stay in the same binder. These came the other day. I got these off of Amazon and the Prime 2-day shipping, so these came nice and fast. It's been another couple days, but I just got these from John Doe on Amazon. These are brand new to me silver certificate dollar bills. I'm going to have to figure out how to open this envelope up, and I can show you exactly what I got. This envelope I had to basically destroy because, one, I'm not saving the wrapping, so to speak, and two, these were really taped in there. But these are the silver certificate $1 bills that I got from a seller on eBay here. And they're very similar to this one here. It's a 1957. The first one I can see on here is a 57A. But I'm going to want to get, I think I got like 5 of them for a great price. And I'm exactly going to see what I have here. I got 5 of them. I got 5 of them for like $5. So I wasn't expecting anything too spectacular. But what I got, like this one is pretty nice. Being that these are from 1957, they're going to be in a rougher shape and written on. And I got some 57As, some 57Bs. This one was ripped up a little bit, so we got a little tape on there. I probably should retape that. Then I got another 57A. Got no star note. But they're all silver certificates, which is pretty cool. These were made back when our currency was backed by precious metals, aka silver. That's why we see silver certificate. And yeah, I thought I'd grab myself some more of these to stick in the coin in my binder here. I have a couple more silver certificates. This one is a 1935D. And this one is just a regular 57. Again, none of these are too spectacular, too worth a lot of money, because I got 5 of them at a very great price. Like, if this one was in pristine condition, I wouldn't got 5 of them for like, I want to say maybe $10. But these are my silver certificates that I now have. I'm sure there's a program online where I can put the serial numbers in and see how exactly rare they are, but I'm not going to do that. But now I got to add them to my collection here. It requires 2 hands to operate this, but just to show you, they slide in a particular way. I'm going to have to do it off camera because this requires 2 hands, and I only got the 2. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done here. This is what they look like in their final resting places, so to speak. As long as I have these dollar bills, they're going to be inside these envelopes, clean, dry, and away from anything that'll deteriorate them. This one could use all the help it can get. You can even tell the tape holding this on was old. And then this one, pretty good shape. But you can also tell, some of the dollar bills are in better shape than others. I can actually show you what I'm looking at. You see the cross section there, the cross fold there, and the cross fold there. It was folded, and then it was folded like this, and it was folded like this at one point. Seeing that means it's not too good a shape, but for what I spent, I say I got a great deal on these, and it was kind of a mystery to whether or not how good a shape they'd be, because I basically got them off of eBay, and 5 of them for like $5 was pretty cool, or 5 for 10 or something. But not only am I gonna put these ones in my binder, I have to put these ones in my binder as well, and maybe even do a little fixing on this dollar bill here. I got a lot of work to do, so I'm going to let you go right here. I'm the Conservative Coin Collector. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.